Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing super well. Today we have created this look. Super chill, super easy, but it's more of a chit chat, get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Cynthia and we do videos like this, tutorials, try new products, vlogs, all that jazz. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel if you like what you see, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you for watching. Wow, it has been a hot minute since I have sat and filmed a makeup video. Guys, I have had the most hectic 2 weeks. That's why we were doing vlogs and stuff, because I just definitely did not have the time to sit down and do a whole makeup look. I had to do vlogs in between my projects and stuff that I was working on, but finally have a breather. We have a little bit of a breather, like this week is a little bit free, so I figured I definitely have the capacity to film a sit down video. Not really a makeup tutorial, we're just playing with a bunch of new makeup that's come in over the last couple of weeks, and just a chill get ready with me vibe situation. So without further ado, let's get into it. My skin is feeling a little bit dehydrated, so I'm gonna use my Fenty Hydrating Primer. This has to be my favorite primer, guys. I mean, I haven't stopped using it. I can't stop using it, and yeah, it's everything I need a primer to be in terms of the hydration and prepping the skin. In primers, I don't really look for mattifying properties or anything. I can mattify anything with powder, so that's not my concern. It's about my skin feeling hydrated and primed and fresh for foundation. I'm gonna go in with brows. This never changes, but I do have a new brow product that maybe I should actually try to use this now. No, you know what? Because it's a pencil, I'm gonna start off with my pomade and then I'll go into this new pencil. Let's make my life a little bit easier. Cape Town is having the most beautiful sunny days. We have been for like the last week. It's so deceiving. I mean, I'm a winter baby. My birthday's in a couple of days and I love winter. So I'm not even saying like I'm over winter, but I can't lie to you. The last couple of days have been so sunny and so tempting to actually go out and just have fun and go to restaurants and stuff like that. I went out for the first time like for leisure on Friday. I went to a wine farm, obviously not for wine but for a treatment that I was invited to get. I ended up just getting a gel pedicure because that's what I needed. I didn't really need a massage or anything. I'm not all the way comfortable with like somebody touching me yet, even though they are using gloves and everything, but it wasn't necessary. I was just after like a gel pedicure because I hadn't had one. I was just doing my normal feet and toes myself, which could be better, but yeah, so I ended up getting a gel pedi. I went with my friend Lauren, and it was a nice day out. It was actually pretty warm. The food was so good. Bacon wrapped asparagus, mini quiches, I mean goat cheese with it was so good. Goat cheese, sun-dried tomato quiche, wow. We had these gorgeous mocktails, and then we couldn't finish all the food, so we packed away dessert, and this is, I have one macaroni left. There was a brownie, the most delicious brownie, lemon meringue, apple pie. Oh, and then I had like the most fresh scone with jam and cream. Oh my god, it was a decadent day, I can't lie to you. And it's so funny, I actually, like, I was insta storing and I realized how out of touch I was like I was forgetting the basics of Insta storying because I hadn't done it in so long, like making sure I'm capturing the moment and making sure you guys are like feeling the vibe on Instagram and whatnot. Oh my god, it was so hard. I tried to get an outfit of the day picture there, it didn't work out, and I really wanted to post a picture for the wine, for the visits and stuff, for the wine stage, but can't force it, you know. If you don't get a good pic, you just don't get a good pic. So, but I'll be definitely going back there. That's how they prepare their food every single time. Oh my god. Another, okay. So we're gonna go in and give our skin a little glow. I'm gonna be using this Marc Jacobs dewdrops, tantalizing dewdrops, tantalize, and then I'm gonna be mixing it with the MAC Bronze Nero. I don't know if I've showcased this on my channel yet. I got this from Muse Beauty a couple of weeks ago. I wasn't impressed with it, but mixing these two together I think gives me a pretty nice combination. And I've been wanting to try these dewdrops from Marc Jacobs for quite some time, so okay, this is gonna give us a nice base. This Marc Jacobs one smells like coconut. So yeah, it's my birthday in like a few days. I think it's the 27th, so my birthday is around the 30th. I think it's on Thursday, 27, 20, 20, yeah. Okay, so on Thursday. And I don't know how I feel. Honestly, I'll be turning 29. But when I do have anxiety about my age and me turning 29. I really do have a little bit of it. There's just certain things I wish I had done already and stuff before my 29th birthday. But you know what? You can't rush God's timing. You can want so many things, but at the end of the day, it's going to be, you know, His timing, not yours. So you really can't like get depressed about it or force situations that are meant to happen. When I'm talking about like having my own business. I mean, it's stuff that I'm still working towards, but just stuff that I wish was already like under my belt, like individually, like career-wise and stuff like that. But you know what? It is what it is. But as far as plans go, zilch. So this is the new foundation I'm going to try today. It's the Smashbox Full Coverage Studio Skin Foundation. It says it's a weightless feel, oil and shine control foundation. It's full coverage, really full coverage. It's used with kaolin, clay and bamboo powder, and this is it right here. I went for the shade 4.05 and it's described as a dark undertone, a skin tone dark undertone, warm peach. There it is over there. So honestly, it is very full coverage and you really don't need much. So I just do those two little, and then I just spread it. I mean, look how much this spreads. Just that little drop sprays all over the face. I thought it would be like very creamy and therefore leave you very shiny, but it's the exact opposite. I don't know how they got this formulation. Maybe the packaging is deceiving, because normally when foundations come in packages like this, they are creamy, leave you looking shiny and stuff, but this is not. This is actually more of a mattifying foundation, and it blends beautifully, you guys. It glides on the skin flawlessly. I don't even have to try to spread this product. It just goes where I need it to go. Yeah, I think the first time I used it, I was actually quite shook. So the finish is just so flawless. I mean, so yeah, zero plans for my birthday. Hopefully the weather is nice. I'd like to take myself out somewhere. I definitely want to spoil myself with something, but I just don't know what. I just don't know what. Do I order online? Or do I shop locally here? I'm over most of the stores in Cape Town in terms of like designer. We only literally have 3 places to shop from, which is Gucci. Not like Vom, but like, oh, I'm so sick of it. Like, I don't know. There's nothing there that I want, and I feel like there's nothing there that I just is calling my name, and I don't like buying stuff that I. Oh, this picture. Woo! Damn, that was close. But really wanted to get in my eye. I always want to feel excited about purchases. I never want to just buy just for the sake of just having it or whatever it is. I want to be excited to wear it. I want to be excited to wear something, to use something, to have something. And then there's Louis Vuitton, right? Which of the two is the better, in my opinion, in terms of just, I just like Louis Vuitton a lot better than I do like Gucci. But then once again, like, I just don't know what I want from there. I don't know if there's anything that I really want right now. I only really am lasting after Dior at the moment. Do I order online? I'm trying to find a place where I can purchase something where the duties and taxes are paid at the checkout instead of waiting for it to arrive here and then have customs scam me into paying more than I actually should. That leaves shopping on Net-a-Porter. And Net-a-Porter doesn't have really nice options apart from Bottega Veneta, which I am really considering the shoes of. I'm really letting you guys inside my thoughts right now. Okay, new concealers to try from Dior. I'm sure if you guys watch me on Instagram, you have seen me use these on one of my lives. So I figured I'm the shade 4W, which is my concealer highlighter shade, and the formulation of these, you guys, you will not be disappointed. I'm someone who loves the coverage of the Too Faced Bonus Wear concealer, my all-time favorite concealer. I love Fenty's coverage. This gives me full coverage, but it's not, I don't know, it's the perfect concealer, honestly. It's the 24-hour caring full coverage creamy concealer, and I'm the shade 4W, or I've been using the shade 4W. I love the doe foot. It's ginormous, and I mean, it's so creamy. It's the right consistency. Love it. So yeah, I don't know what to do about my birthday. If the weather is nice, I'd like to go out for lunch maybe. I don't even know if I even want to do that. Maybe, I don't know. It's a weird age and it's a weird time. I'm also just thinking, let me just save my money because I do plan on moving really soon. Gosh guys, this concealer, the finish is gorgeous, really. If you're on the market for a new one, you want to try something a little bit more high-end, it's really beautiful. Apart from that, I'm also looking at house stuff, and like I'm in a weird place where I'm just like, buying a Dyson vacuum would make me so happy. Like, I'm more excited about choosing a vacuum cleaner than I am choosing handbags and shoes. Isn't that something? Oh, guys, the finish. Guys, I wish you guys were up close to see this. These colors complement each other so much. The color of my foundation and the color of my concealer. The color of this concealer, I want to bake. And to do that, I'm going to use a nude powder. Not a nude powder, but it's a powder I hardly use on my channel, but I've used it once or twice. It's the Elizabeth Arden High Performance Blurry Loose Powder in Translucent. I always forget that it's a twist top. So we're going to use this one today. It's a very finely milled powder. As you can see, it doesn't leave white film. Like, literally, as I'm applying it, it just dusts away so effortlessly. I think this might be an underrated powder. If you guys are once again on the market for one, you want to try something new, try this powder. And it also comes in like not only translucent, but I think it comes like in a dark, medium, like all different shades as well. I'm gonna use this powder. It's called Warm Pecan. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with it. It's also from Elizabeth Arden. Let's get into some contour. I'm gonna use my MAC contour palette, not new. I have used this before. It's the medium dark Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape contour palette. My base looks like butter, you guys. I don't know if you can see this. Oh my god. I don't think I have actually worn makeup in a little bit, apart from working on the projects I was working on last week. I'm pretty sure I can count on one hand how much I've worn makeup the last couple of weeks. Okay, so we're gonna get into some eyeshadow. I've got a new eyeshadow palette here. This is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Got it a couple of weeks ago, but I actually haven't even touched it yet. I really am not in the mood to do a colorful makeup look, but I'm sure I can use 1 or 2 colors from here. It's a beautiful palette. There is no denying that whatsoever. But yeah, I think we're just gonna go in with some soft tones. I'm not looking to do anything too crazy. Let me just get into Karma, into my crease. So right now I'm using the shade called Hot Mess, and it's a deeper mauve that I'm just placing in the crease. On my actual lid space, I think I'm gonna just pack on Utopia, which is like this more peachy pink. I'm just gonna pack that on. That's more feminine than I thought I would look today. I'm taking my Dior Pump and Volume mascara. Just gonna pump it a little bit. I have exciting content coming up with Chanel as well. Probably will go live during August on Instagram. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Chanel. Well, they sent through that which I requested, so you guys should look out for that on my Instagram. It's just fun content. It's not really campaigny, not really campaign, not paid for. It's just exploring the world of Chanel beauty. I want a bronze, so I'm taking my Smashbox Studio Skin. I did get another one, but I haven't exactly finished this one yet, so I'll continue her. I'm taking my Wet n Wild highlighter and I'm gonna highlight with it. Okay, so for lips I've got some new lippies from Smashbox. I used this one already. This is a Be Legendary lipstick in Chai, and it's a beautiful nude. But I also have this liquid matte nude called Stepping Out. It looks a lot more cool toned, but I'm open to trying it out. I'm taking my brown lip liner from NYX. And we're gonna take Stepping Out. I mean, it's safe. It's okay. It's not anything revolutionary. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Super chill. Just a little catch up with you guys. A little chit chat. All products, I think information is on the side in this video or linked down below, but probably on the video, on the slides. Catch me on Instagram, you guys, if you want sort of like daily updates with me, Insta stories, all that jazz. Hey, yeah, I think that's where we're gonna leave this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.